What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. If you guys saw the last video, we had a parts car that is now gone. We have a shit ton of parts that we're going to be working on, getting them onto my CB to make it a daily again. Parked right next to the SI. But yeah, finally warmed her up after 2 months of this car. I just didn't want to put money into it yet until I came across an opportunity that I could not turn down. So I'm going to be pulling it in. We're going to be filming, working on it today. Only up until like halfway.
Yeah, I just need to see where this is gonna line up.
That's what I was trying to figure out right now. So let me start on that first one. You got your two nuts off?
Yeah.
Mikey, you're in the window and everything else. I need to pull back in a little bit. Lift it up.
What do you need to do? But yeah, we put on the coilovers, Godspeed mono SS's. We put on the strut bar, front, rear, bottom, all of them. She wants me to move in front of the camera. We got a couple more parts that I still want to solve. We did the tail lights too. I can't wait to show you guys that in a little bit. We're going to show you that in the daylight though, because that shit goes crazy 50-50. As we progress, the whole plan with this car, the kind of concept that we're going with, is going to be a sleeper car. Hopefully I get my turbo kit and the H22A that we're planning on throwing in this motherfucker, and she finna haul ass. She finna go crazy. What's up guys? So daytime, finally, we're going to be showing you how the CB looks after we put on the stuff. Let's start off with the tail lights. So we got the 50-50s from the parts car all cleaned up and put on. Then underneath we have the Megan Racing tie bar. Jules knocked out all the panels. I did the vacuuming. It's looking nice and clean. Right now what we're doing, we're about to degrease and clean up the engine bay, because that's the one thing we haven't touched yet. We got an hour to do it because I have work in an hour, so we're gonna make this quick. A little how-to type video. Brushes and degreaser. You guys want to make sure that you have most of your electricals covered. Example on mine, I covered up the distributor and I covered up the alternator because we don't want any water going on those. We want as much water to stay out of those as possible. And you know, we could touch up on it later, but. So, my brother said you don't want to put a lot of degreaser. You want to use a little bit. We're spraying this bitch down. You kind of want to work one section at a time. So we're going to work on the left, then the middle, and then work our way up to the right. Once you have a good amount of degreaser, we're going to grab our detailing brush. And we're just agitating everything just to create some suds, get some of that dirt moving, because that dirt hasn't been moved in years. Yeah, so that way when we rinse it, everything comes off easily. And in no means am I a car detailer. If you guys start fucking
cleaning your engine bay and you fuck something up, I'm not liable. This is educational purposes only. Educational to the point where I don't know what I'm doing, so please don't follow all these instructions. And then since we are working in the sunlight, shit's gonna start drying up, so you wanna make sure you have a lubricated surface. And don't get degreaser in your eye. See all that oil and grease? A little bit of an update. The wheels are sitting. We're waiting for the paint to cure, so we decided to take the window visors off the cord so we could restore them. And I fucked up. And one of them, the other side one, is snapped in half. So time to go on the hunt for that. Here's what I learned today. You need to heat up your 3M tape before you pull on your window visor or you will snap it in half. Kind of fucked myself up. That shit hurt.
When it like pulled you back?
Yeah, that shit, it just yanked and I'm like, what the fuck? Did I get it off? I couldn't believe it. I was like, did I get it off? Took me 2 minutes to realize, nope, you fucked it up.
You got it off? Do you want me to heat it up?
No, I think I'm gonna use Google on this part. It's very slight. How's this one coming?
I have no clue.
Okay. Let me.
Hello everyone.
What's up, guys? So pretty much we got done with putting the strut bars on, we got done with putting the coilovers on, and then after that we are going to be putting some new tires on there and taking the car for a spin with us.
Yeah.